morning, guys. We are on our way to the Wisconsin River. I did hit below Peton Well Tuesday in the morning, and I caught one big fat perch, and that was it. I left at 10, so figured we'd go do something else today. So we're going for a little bit longer of a drive, but Congo's meeting me, so me and him were to get out, get after it for a little bit here this afternoon, I guess, because we're gonna fish till about 3 or so. Yesterday I went down and picked up my dad's boat, and this morning I dropped that off at the shop. So they're gonna go through the motor, make sure everything's good, change all the fluids, new plugs. They're gonna drain the fuel. So that's gonna be ready to hit the water hopefully a week or two. Because we still got to put on the new trolling motor, put all the graphs on. I gotta find some batteries for it. For some reason, batteries are hard to find right now. But hopefully, I'm hoping that that's completely done by the end of next week. That would make me very happy. So in the meantime, we're just using the John boat. Got one? Oh yeah, you got it. Good job, buddy. So it really is fishing here. We really are fishing here. I can't believe it.
I know you're not a keeper.
Oh, so excited. Just excited to see a fish. Show the camera so they believe
Did
us.
not get skunked. I don't know if that one can see me. This one. Fishy. Ooh.
Hey, you got one.
That's the one I kept still in my bait.
Ah, that's a better one. You want to try out my fancy new bump board?
Ooh, I'm trying not to fall over here.
Let's try out my fancy new bump board, Congo. Don't fall in.
Oh, he's only about 12.
Yeah, but I just want to see it work. Nice.
Fishy, fishy.
Well done. You're on a roll.
There you go.
I haven't landed it yet.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
See?
That's what you were looking for.
That's why I don't get excited when shit happens, man. But I'll get excited about that.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
He was sucking on it. Didn't even know he was down there. We are on the board.
Listed, do you?
I had one property listed. It was under contract. In less than 24 hours.
There you go, pig.
You got the hot pole today, buddy.
That's the one that just got me. Ooh, he got that. He tore that minnow up. Them teeth. Look at them teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Little teeth. Fishy, fishy. Oh, that one's big.
That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a good fish. Catfish. Oh, pike.
That is
Yeah, got that net. Turn over to you. Come on.
limit on them things here, 28, 30.
He is all tangled up.
You never keep them anyway, huh?
No.
Good. Just play 'em, right?
That's weird.
Fucking 2 in a row.
Hair jig again?
Hair jig again. This one's better.
Alright. So you guys missed it, but he literally put that hair jig on, caught one. I got the camera running, and bam, he's got a second one. So I'm gonna switch to a hair jig. You just got it going on today.
I don't think this is it. I don't know, there's some action.
It is a walleye. Nice one. Had a couple of nice ones today.
There we go. You're gonna keep one fish even if it was legal. I think
Yeah, don't even worry about it. You just let her go. This rock down
there we go. Hair jig strikes again.
Definitely getting nicer fish on that hair jig.
He's all worked out.
Yeah, definitely getting nicer fish on the hair jig.
Fishy fishy if that's working. Fishy fishy.
Been brought to my attention that I never tell you guys to like videos or subscribe. I kind of leave it up to you, but I noticed that when I watch YouTube videos, they always say subscribe and like the video and share it. And I don't know, maybe I should be telling you guys to do that as well. But Congo did good today. He definitely was on the right side of the boat. We were sitting in 12 feet of water. We were fishing fatheads. Color did not seem to matter. But when he did switch to that hair jig, though, things kind of really turned on for him. So I don't know if you guys have any experience using hair jigs on the Wisconsin River, but they were working for him. If we would have had more time, I probably would have switched as well. But it is what it is, you know. I probably could have shifted the boat 5 or 6 feet and seen if, you know, we were picking up fish on both sides if we did that. But he was doing good, and I didn't want to take that away from him. So I get to fish a lot more than he does. So I'm kind of glad he was able to get on some fish and knock it out. Nothing big. I think the first one we didn't measure, I think it was, probably would have been close to 15. But it's early. It's only going to get better. So thanks for watching.